Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make chicken biryani. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 4 green chili slit, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half teaspoon haldi powder, 2 tablespoons homemade biryani masala, handful of chopped coriander leaves, handful of chopped mint leaves, brown onions. I have used 4 medium sized onions, handful of roasted cashew nuts and handful of roasted raisins, 1 cup beaten curd, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 kg chicken, 1.5 cup of rice. Add 6 cup of water to cook the rice. Cook the rice 75%. 6 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon ghee and salt as per your taste. Now we'll marinate the chicken. Add ginger garlic paste. Biryani masala, haldi powder, chili powder, half chopped coriander, half chopped mint leaves and half brown onions. Add sugar as per your taste. Mix well. Now we'll add the curd. And tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Now we'll allow the chicken to marinate for 2 hours. Here I have pan with 5 tablespoons of oil, which is nice and hot. Now we'll add our marinated chicken. We'll add our slit chilies. We'll cook the chicken for 10 minutes. Our masalas are well cooked and the oil has started leaving from the chicken. Now we'll cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes on medium flame. Our chicken is done. Now we'll layer it with the rice. Now we'll add our chopped mint and coriander leaves and browned onions. Now we'll add the roasted cashew nuts and the raisins. We'll add ghee. We'll cover it and cook it on a low flame for 10 minutes. Our biryani is done. Now let's plate it up. Our chicken biryani is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.